Welcome to the channel Vidyut Yog. In this video, we'll discuss how to record full screen video using PowerPoint presentation. So uh, many of us trying to record any video lecture uh, for YouTube video or for sharing video of presentation with your clients or with your colleagues, and at that time you should be aware how to record the full screen video using the PowerPoint presentation. So before starting this video, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. So now we'll start with the actual content. So whenever we have to record any lecture with the help of the Power presentation, first of all, you need to open the PowerPoint presentation, for which suppose we have to open the PowerPoint presentation. At that time, I will open this PowerPoint presentation, which is having the earthing system content. So what you need to do, you have to go to the record option which is available on upper side. Just go to that record option, and then there is, you can record the lecture by this record button. Here you are having the different options like screen recording, then screenshot, then you can record your presentation from current slide or presentation from the beginning. From current slide means whatever the slide open, you can record the lecture from that slide. From the beginning, that means the lecture will be recorded from the explanation of the first presentation. So for this purpose, actually, I have recorded the separate video. You can go through it. It is available on the my channel Vidyut Yog. In this video, mainly we are going to see how to record the full screen by using the PowerPoint presentation. That's why I will go to the screen recording option. Then once we click on the screen recording option, these options like record, then time duration of the recording, select area, audio, record pointer. So these options are available on the upper side. So what is the meaning of record pointer? That means whatever the arrow you are using for the explanation, it will be uh, visible on the screen. Then audio means, of course, your audio will be recorded, but this right now this record and time duration is disabled, because initially whenever you are going to record the screen, then you can select the area for which you want to record from your screen. So if I have to record the full screen, then I will click on select area, and then I will select the area which I have to record. So for example, I have to record the entire screen. That's why I have selected the entire screen. And once will select this area, then only this record option will get enabled. For example, now I'll uh, click on this record option, then 3, 2, 1, and after that your recording started. That means right now uh, recording of the full screen is started. So I will go through my presentation. I will explain the content, like for example, these are the contents. Right now for an example, I have considered this one slide only, but you can go through your presentation. Then if you want, if you want to go through the another content, because since we are recording the screen, it is not limited for the PowerPoint presentation. So we can minimize this presentation. Then we can go through the another any other file. For example, uh, you can use the, you will prepare the another Microsoft Word file, then I will open it. Otherwise, whatever the file which are available on desktop, you can open it. That means you can use the entire screen, or whatever the activities, all the activities which are you are doing on the entire screen, those will be recorded. Okay. Then what we need to do, we have to, once you complete all the activities which you want to uh, record, or if you have completed your presentation, then uh, whenever you will go to the upper slide, then these options are available. That means you can stop your recording on this upper side. For example, I will go through the presentation again, and once I will take my this cursor to the upper side, this options are available. That means you can pause your video, or you can stop the recording. Then you can stop the pointer, visibility of the pointer. So right now what I will do, almost 1 minute 50 second the recording is done, so I will stop that recording. So here, once you take this cursor on this option, there is option of the stop recording, and once I will stop the recording, this video is available here. So
And
if
after
I
that,
click on
your
this,
recording
you
started.
can,
That means right now, uh, recording of the full.
so recording is done. Now, if I have to download this video, then what you can do, you can go to the again record option, and there is option like save as show or export to the video. Since I want to download this recorded video, so I will click on the export to video option. Then I can create the video. Since I have to create the video, I will uh, click on the create video option. Then it will ask for the location where you want to save this video. So suppose I want to save this video in a download folder, so I will select that path, and then I will press the save button. So once I will press the save button, then here you can see that there is uh, information is pop up like creating video earthing system dot mp4. So it will take the time to prepare that video or to download the video. Of course, whenever your video is of longer time, then it will take the more time. If it is short duration, then it will take the less time. Since we have created the video of almost 1.14 second, and that's why it will take the less time. So right now it shows that the video is completely done. So what I will do, I will go to the download option, and this video is now downloaded. So I will open this video, and then I will try to run that video.
And after that, your recording started. That means right now, uh, recording of the full screen is started. So I will go
So
through
you
my
can see that
presentation. I will
the video
explain the
is
content.
downloaded,
Like
and
for
it is
example, these
ready
are the
to
contents. Right now,
ready
for
with
an
the
example,
explanation.
I have considered.
So such type of the video you can upload on the YouTube channel, or you can share with the presentation with your colleagues, or you can share the if you are working as a teacher, you can share the recorded lecture in which you want to show the demonstration of the usage of the different softwares, because we are recording the screen, and that's why we are not limited to the explanation of the PPT only. You can do the any activity, you can perform the VLab practicals, or you can uh, explain the any concept with the help of the Word document, PowerPoint presentations, or with the help of the software demonstration, or you can mm, give the explain the calculation with the help of the Excel sheet, and that means you can record the entire screen and you can use that video. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and again I repeat, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.